This is very exciting. I'm Stefan, founder and CEO of SUNNYBAG, and I'm thrilled to show you today what our incredible team has developed the last couple of months. But first, we have to start with why. Why solar products? The weather gets really crazy, and the GBD study has shown that 9 million people died from polluted-related diseases last year. It makes a difference, because we have sold already more than 100,000 SUNNYBAG solar systems together that are used every day on this beautiful planet. We support Africa since years with thousands of solar systems together with these NGOs. Our customers love our products. On Amazon, we have an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. We use advanced technology, great solar cells, efficient power management. Second, we have experienced engineers. We have the best team ever. Our team develops solar products for almost 10 years now. And third, we have great industrial designers that understand both aspects in order to design an iconic product. We teamed up with the design agency Perz and Gartler, and I'm happy that the founder, Petrus Gartler, is here today with us.
To get a better understanding for the process, we flew directly to all the manufacturing partners and spent many days to understand the whole workflow and the production process of solar cells. Each and every solar panel gets tested before it's shipped.
Thank you. Thank you. It's by far the best SUNNYBAG product we have ever made. Let's take a closer look to the solar panel. It gets a lot of surface and it's powerful. With a 7-watt strong panel, a smartphone like an iPhone 10 charges in less than 3 hours in direct sunlight. It has 10,000 milliamp hours capacity, and we developed a new technology called OPF. We take the energy from the panel and convert it directly through into your smartphone, but also charge or discharge the battery cells at the same time. This is the #1 problem most solar products get when you try to charge your smartphone, and we are proud that we have a highly efficient solution here. We use the new USB Type-C as input for charging the power pack, and 2 strong USB outputs with 2.1 ampere for your devices. Let's take a look inside. 12 separate compartments allow enough space up to 20 liters. Laptop up to 17-inch. You like that? So what's the price? If you're very fast, you will get the early bird for only 99 euro or 119 US dollar. We want to switch as much people as possible from wall chargers to the new SUNNYBAG ICONIC. We solved another big problem. Game over, cable salad. Take your iPhone that supports wireless charging and just put it in your magnetic side compartment. It starts charging automatically because we have built-in wireless charging directly into the new SUNNYBAG ICONIC with the power pack. Just put it in, boom, it's charging. We call it Auto Start Wireless Charging, in short AWC. Let's summarize all the infos. Just go on Kickstarter now, choose your pledge on the right hand, pay with credit card. We ship next month right after the campaign ends. SUNNYBAG, walk with the sun.